What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we got a more laid back video, man. Part running, checking on meats, all that stuff, man. You know, the normal. I gotta give y'all an update too on some stuff. Y'all definitely really update video. Y'all definitely want to tune in, cause I gotta tell y'all some stuff, but especially about Dolo. I gotta tell y'all some stuff about Dolo. Even I didn't know. Shocking discovery. Bad but good. Which got something to do with meats too. So we about to run to Lawless, and y'all see, yeah, boy, I picked up, boop, boop, impromptu buy, man. Bought a pool. It's too hot. Too hot, man. Me and wife had been talking about it, and this is actually the same pool we got back there, man, but the pump went bad, and one thing led to another, and it got a little hole in it, and you know, that's why it looked the way it looked. So I bought another one, and eventually, man, I'm gonna get a what I would consider a real deal pool through a contractor and all this stuff. But for right now, cause that had to be done in the winter, so it'll be ready for the summer. I got this. When they ain't planning on buying this thing, honestly, I'm like that. I'm an impulse buyer. I told wife we saw it, they had it in stock. Cause every time we would go, she was like, they had one, they get gone. So I was in there for the day. I told her, I said, man, I'm finna buy this. And here we go. So I'll probably be setting it up. I'll probably be setting this up the next 2 weeks, man. All that good stuff. But this is stuff we got. Transmission lines, braided, still braided transmission line call. I can't believe I forgot that. I hadn't bought that from meats. And I got this car. I got electric water pump. I needed to change the water neck. There's two of them, a smaller one and a big one. I'm gonna take both of them, but I think it's gonna be this guy. It's gonna be the winner. Don't forget about AutoZone. Get a flex hose for that. Then they have everything they need, man. And I'm gonna holler at y'all about what I got to holler at y'all about. So y'all definitely gonna stick around, trust me. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. We checking back in, man. We back from Lawless. So, the water neck don't work. I looked at it. I was confused, man. I thought the side that thread in there. Basically, I had the side reversed. So the side I was thinking thread into the water pump is not the side, and it still take a screw-on fitting for a screw-on hose for your radiator hose, and I ain't trying to run that. So I got to get a new water neck, which I already got in the. I already got in the cart. So basically, the long story short, man, we got to take another trip to Summit. They talk killing me, boy. They nitty gritty stuff. Parts I've been getting, man, they ain't been right. So I've been having to take stuff back and this and that. And like I said, I got a new involvement with Dolo. So basically, to let y'all know, DJ hit me with the transmission, right? It's gonna be dark. I have to go this way. Here we go. So DJ hit me about the transmission, right? And we getting ready to get the transmission. I supposed to have it, and he told me he was going back through it, cause the transmission going to meats was the one I took out of Dolo, but it didn't have the right stuff in it for higher horsepower. So going through the transmission, we got the Ultra Bell on it. Going through it, found out the transmission was actually about to go out. So if y'all remember, some of y'all wasn't following back then, but I took, when I switched engines in Dolo and I did my combo and put it in there, I put meats transmission in Dolo, the one that was supposed to go in Meats. It was already done, man. It had different internals, Ultra Bell already on. It was done. I put it in Dolo, called Dolo new engine, making a lot more power than my old combo. So when I did that, we just left the old one down there at the shop. Crank the car so they can get in, y'all. We left the old one down there at the shop, man, and cause we knew we were gonna use it for Meats, we're gonna have to put different stuff in there. So we did that, and now we in there, you know, DJ redoing it and stuff. And gonna get in, team. And man, it was about to burn up something. I forgot what part, man, but I actually throw some pictures in right now. So y'all saw them pictures, man. It was about to burn whatever that piece is. I can't remember what DJ said. He called me this morning, but he had to order that. And long story short, the converter in Dolo been going, it was already bad. So Dolo been getting down like it was getting down with a bad converter. And that joker, if you're in the BCG Hangout, y'all already know what type of time, or partially what type of time Dolo on. So it was getting down with a bad converter. So man, to right now, I still have not seen Dolo on 100%. So that's major, man. That's major. But I don't know, when we get it back, Dolo gonna be an animal. Cause for the first time, it gonna be 100%, man, no failing part. The converter was going bad anyway, so it was on its way about to tear that transmission up. But then the other one, when the converter separated, it went ahead and flatline and killed the other transmission, would kill the thrust bearing. So we man, there was some big news, and I'm like, God, they crazy. But now we about to have a fresh engine in Dolo, brand new. I'm gonna have I already got a brand new transmission. Y'all remember DJ did that, and I ain't even put no miles on it cause we found out the thrust bearing knocked out. So it literally doesn't have 10 miles on it. And I got a fresh converter that doesn't have 10 miles on it, and a brand new remix on the tram brake. So and we got the new exhaust going on when I get it back, the aluminum exhaust. It going down, man. So Dolo gonna be a whole nother animal. Trust me. I got a surprise when I get it back. Trust me, that joke gonna ride. And then we got Meats. Meats are on the way, man. I for sure will get the transmission this week. But I mean, due to when I'm getting it, it gonna push back. So I was hoping to get the car this week, but it probably ain't. It probably gonna be next week sometime, man. I'm making another move in the midst of doing all this too. So it pushed it back, but it's all good. We'll get transmission just in there, get on it and all that, and we'll get it going, man. So that was a shocking involvement. So let me show y'all too all I got to take back. I got a lot of stuff to take back, man. I was gonna go to Summit today, but I don't feel like going. What's up, team? But look, y'all, this all the stuff I gotta take back, man. I got to take this stuff back, these two water necks, and get one. I gotta change this out cause this belt just a little too long. That's an AutoZone. I gotta take transmission lines back cause I actually did have transmission lines, man. They already had put them on though. I gotta take the two rotors back over there, and I got to change this out, the top radiator hole, which is the right length. It's just that this is an 1 3/4 hole, and I need an 1.5 inch. Both of my water necks on the inlet and outlet for the up and lower radiator holes are 1.5 inch. So I got to change all this out, man. So I'm definitely getting my money back. I got like $300 some in part, man. Get my money back. ASAP Rocket, man. And then we got to make the move on the gas tank. The gas tank for what's the name? Not gas tank. Fuel cell. I'm putting a fuel cell in the Regal. Yes, fuel cell and everything, man. Fuel cell. Why you want a gas tank? What you trying to put grocery back there? Look. Nah, for real. The only time you don't need a gas tank, I mean, only time you need to just stick with the gas tank, man, is if you trying to put some speakers back there. And, or if you plan on hauling a whole lot of grocery and hauling some big objects, then yeah, you need the gas tank in there. But if you just plan on hauling a little grocery like that, like me, when we go grocery shopping, we take the SUV. I ain't never grocery shopping in the old school no more than just a few bags, and I just put them around. I can put them right around or whatever. I ain't got to worry about nothing. So I'm going to a fuel sale. I'll probably be buying all this stuff this week. I'm going to fuel sale. I'm gonna set my own fuel system, this and that. I already got a sender. I'm gonna have a sender unit pick up with the pump on it and everything. I got it all figured out. So Black Haven gonna get a fresh fuel system, a properly sized fuel system. And that's one thing you can do with these cars. You can oversize your fuel system. Ain't no such thing as too big when you're talking a fuel system, cause that's what a regulator for. You can regulate it down, and then you already set up for you if you ever want to upgrade and make more power. That's one thing. Now I know I tell y'all a lot of stuff got to be managed. Size matter. When it comes to a fuel system, hey man, you want to put your -10 or -12 on there, put it on there. Hey, and regulate it down, feed your engine. But then when you want to make more power, you already got it there. And that's what I'm gonna do, cause that engine ain't staying in there. I'm sorry, the engine ain't staying in there. It's nice, we're gonna have some fun with it and stuff, but it ain't. I gotta have some more cubes, man. I gotta have some cubes, and I'm talking about some cubes. So we're gonna do that, man. We'll have a little fun on that build and all that. And that's it, man. But like I said, this one gonna intended to be no action video, man. Hope y'all enjoying the video. Them 2 videos, man, Ike did, man. Life with Ikes. I got some more collabs coming, man. Y'all gonna see some new people, new faces on the channel. Cause we getting to where I'm gonna say the fun stage, man. Cause all the cars about done, man, with they operation and driving. We just gonna be pulling up on people having fun, doing fun stuff. So we getting that stage, man. And like I said, I'm in the midst. When meat's done, I'm gonna transition. Let me give it the key so they cut off. Here you go. You put the key in there so it don't cut off. But we in the midst about to transition, man, where we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna transition over to the J-Mac 2004 Ride channel. Like I said, back over there, it's gonna be strictly car stuff. And over here, man, we're gonna be having fun, man. If you don't wanna see it, then, you know, like I said, just unsubscribe. It don't bother me with the subscriber count going down and stuff. Cause this over here for inspiration and for everyday life stuff too, which I give y'all cars, cause cars are part of my life. But it's for all of that. Like said, man, y'all see me put the pool up, all that stuff, man. Cause hey, everything we do be entertaining, believe me. But we got that. I'm gonna transition soon as meats touchdown. Cause I know people probably been wondering when you going over to the other channel. Soon as meats touchdown back home, the next videos after that gonna all be on J-Mac 2004 Ride. So if you ain't subscribed over there, go subscribe if you want to just see straight car content. And over here gonna be just a little car content, and just ain't no telling what you'll see. Y'all see how we did that chip challenge, having fun and stuff. That's what we do, man. Our life lit anyway, man. My life is lit. I have fun with my cousins, my people, and everything, man. I do a whole lot of stuff, man. So, you know, inspiration, all that. That's why I call Life with J Malcolm. That's why I called it that. And that's why J Malcolm 2004 Rides is called what it is, because it's about my rides. It's about J Malcolm 2004, my brand. That's my racing channel. My drag racing channel was a big part of me. And J Malcolm 2004 Rides are my rides. That's what it's about. My cars and stuff. Life of J Malcolm is about Life of J Malcolm. I named them not to clickbait nobody. So let me see. So yeah, man, that's it. They're gonna wrap this up, man. I know everything ain't exciting, but we're gonna keep it rolling. And I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.